let's get destructive. Okay, first off, I'm going to show you a video. I'll move to my screen and I'll show you this video.
CAN 是一支尖镊子，技能加持稳定，精细部件维修。CAN 15弯尖镊子，高韧性，不易起高硬度尖头，高韧性，不易起点弯曲。
That's these tweezers. Mechanic G-11, GAN. And I figured, let's try it. They say it's supposed to keep good shape, you know. But now I have to mention, I love these tweezers. I absolutely love them. Best tweezers I've ever used. And I also have to say, I wouldn't risk this if it wasn't for the fact that I bought extra just so I could do this test. And well, I'm not having the best days or weeks, last couple of weeks, and more on a personal note, but so I figured I want to, what is it they say, I want to get some frustration out, and why not do the test, or test the tweezers. And I bought these. This is a board holder. This is a secure board holder. I have the secure ES, 26, SQES 26. Love the screwdriver. Hate the board holder. This, I mean, the concept, yeah, okay. These are too long. This protrudes no matter what. Even if I tighten this as much as I can, you cannot get it to lay still. Useless as a board holder. But it's kind of solid. So, okay. I'll take the tweezer right now under the microscope. So you can see they're sharp. These are sharp and they are accurate. Zoom in so you can see. Just a little bit of a gap, well, not gap, but you can see it's a little bit. But I love these tweezers. I perfectly love them. But they say that they will retain even after some, well, I'm not going to say violence, but I'm not going to say violence. Double negative. Yay. Good old hammer. Yay. What? I'm going to have to do something about the audio. I might have to cut the audio sometimes because this is going to get loud. This is going to get loud. So I'm basically going to just do what they did. I'm going to hold them like this. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay, I'm holding the point down on this alloy, whatever it is. Okay, there I managed to bend it, but I had to really hit it hard. But Yeah, just light taps. That. Now, you'll see something interesting when I go back under the microscope, because I'm gonna try and get a good hit. Okay. They don't show up on camera like it is now, but I'm gonna zoom in with the overhead and try and show, oh wait, there. Get the focus. Try and get the focus. Can't really see it. There's too much light. Because I made some real, this was I've never really basically used it. Let's go under the microscope. If I can with that one. I'm gonna have to go off the table. Hang on. You can see there's some pretty good gouges in there. And they're kind of deep. I can really feel them with my finger. They're deep. Yeah. Now, let's see what the tweezers look like. I'm kind of impressed. As you can see, I did manage to bend them once, but they retook their shape just by tapping it the other way. There's a little bit of a curve on the tip there. A little bit. But, yeah. And, okay, I'm gonna take an LED out of the project I'm working on. And I have no problems. I can pick up like this tiny. What about this here? Oh, wait. Yeah, can pick up the hair. Wow. Right, I have to say, the Mechanic G-11, it lived up to what they did in that video. Now, I did buy the kit. I'm not gonna, I have no real need for that G15. It's way too curvy, too bendy for me. This is not for me. But the G11, it's my driver. It's the best tweezer I've ever had and used. It's so light, it's thin, it's accurate to the hair. Man, and now I have more. I thought I was going to destroy it with this, but no, I can just continue using it, and I'll use it. But I want to show you something. We've all seen, I mean, if you found my channel and if you're a viewer of mine, you like repair content. And those of us that like repair content, we've all come across laptops with dead batteries. There are tools out there to repair that for technicians. You have, of course, NLBA. You've seen that in different channels like, you know, Soren uses it. I know Graham, Adamant IT has one. I know Nathan in Parts People have it. But that's not viable for just a regular shop that doesn't do a lot of batteries like every day, because that's an expensive device. It's somewhere $450 or something for the device and the software, the license to, you know, reset the batteries and such. It's expensive. But I found something online. I found a GitHub repository, and the code for the software was published on the GitHub, and it's under the right license, so that anyone can just take the source code and further develop, change, do whatever. And it was last updated in, I think, 21, and it does kind of like the same thing that NLBA does, but using an Arduino. Also, it's very cumbersome to use unless you know SM bus by heart, and what you have to do with magic responses and a lot of very technical stuff. So what I've done, I'm gonna show you first. All you need is an Arduino Uno or Mega. You can use a Mega, Arduino Mega. Wait, it's changed. Yeah. This is just a Uno copy. I have an Arduino Uno Minima. I have them, a lot of them, but this was the first one I came across. You need 3 wires. This is just for, you know, this is no charging, no nothing, of course. You can't charge something with this. This is 5 volt, but it connects to the computer. It has I2C, which is SM bus, and I'll show you the software. First, I'm going to plug this in.